Welcome to our presentation, Pain Management with SOQI Products. In this video, we will discuss how pain impacts our lives, how SOQI products can help with pain, and share a wellness routine that you can perform with our products to manage pain. Do you suffer from chronic pain? Pain is, unfortunately, an extremely common condition that almost everyone experiences at some point in their life. For many diseases, injuries, and conditions, pain is the main or a major side effect. Chronic pain affects approximately 86 million Americans. You probably have family members who either currently or previously have suffered from chronic pain. Pain is often described as a prickling, tingling, stinging, burning, or aching sensation. These sensations may periodically come and go or be constant. Luckily, treatments exist for both acute and chronic pain. Pain management is extremely important for improving the quality of life for those who suffer from pain. On the next few slides, we will discuss the SOQI products that we feel are most effective at helping reduce or relieve pain. We will be highlighting 4 machines: the Chi machine, the E-Power, the advanced ERE, and the ceramic heater. SOQI's core principle is the multi-energy approach. This approach is centered on the idea that multiple sources of energy, when used simultaneously or close together, amplify the effects of one another. Our products use a variety of energies, heat, motion, electric, and more, to increase the holistic health of the user. Our Chi machine is uniquely calibrated to provide aerobic exercise to the user. This exercise is similar to running, swimming, or Tai Chi, but with much less impact on the body. While using the Chi machine, blood circulation increases, allowing for the free flow of oxygen-rich blood cells. These cells nourish our organs, muscles, and body systems, aiding in the healing of injuries and the soothing of pain. The Chi machine can help relax sore muscles, calm arthritis, and reduce joint and neck pain. The ceramic heater and the fur pad use the same type of technology, far infrared heat. Our products generate heat in a constant range of 8 to 10 microns. These wavelengths are especially well absorbed by the human body and help increase blood circulation. While using the ceramic heater and fur pad, your body will become more relaxed and reduce tension. Stress can magnify our pain. When you are able to relax, your body naturally releases tension and healing is easier. The advanced ERE uses electrical impulses to stimulate the nervous system, transmitting an electrical signal throughout the body. This electric current can help soothe sore muscles and joints, reducing and relieving pain for the user. The E-Power is a unique machine that produces an ion field, which helps to balance your positive and negative ions. Using the energy wand along with the E-Power is an effective way to perform acupuncture massage. When your negative and positive ions are balanced, they can help manage swelling and pain. Additionally, you can target specific areas or conditions by using our acupuncture massage guide. Adding any of our machines to your daily wellness routine can help with pain management. HTE has created a special routine with our products to prioritize pain management. On the next slide, we will review the routine that uses all 4 of our machines. Instructions for a pain management wellness routine. First, you will use the Chi machine for 5 to 10 minutes twice a day. You will use the ceramic heater for 30 minutes a day, twice a day, and the fur pad in 30-minute intervals twice a day. These above 3 products are more effective when used together. The advanced ERE for 15 minutes twice a day, and the E-Power for 30 minutes twice a day. Please note that the E-Power is meant to be used alone, without any other machines, and to please refer to the user manual for more information. This routine has several benefits, which include pain management, reduction of aches and swelling, improved circulation, reduction of arthritis symptoms, and diminished inflammation. We hope that this presentation has given you some ideas on how to use and demonstrate HTE products for pain management. Thank you for watching this presentation and look forward for more content from HTE USA.